Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn about the React Native functional and class components. Okay, so both have the different concepts to use it. So we are going to discuss how we are using the class based component and the function component. So let's start the tutorial. So first of all, let's we go to the our section. So I'm going to comment it. Okay, and write some of the functions. So let me connect to the also this one also session. Okay, so this is basically no render type is here. So let's go to the code. So here I'm going to write a functional component which is the smallest. You can say the functional. We can make a different small lines of code. It's basically a normal JavaScript functions, right? If I'm going to write it over here, function app, okay, and export default. So you can see that if it is I'm writing here, just it is a function and returning the default React Native. So view and the text we need to define. So let's copy and enable this two parts. Okay, so enable this and save it. You can see that what we are rendering React Native functional component, correct? So this is the first way. You can see that we have a very small function, that is we are rendering over it, right, in the app here. So here I'm also making a new function and call it also the same. So let's make a new function also, copy this and make it another one here. App1, I'm going to take the name of this app1 React Native. Okay, so we are going to add a app1. So here I'm going to call it here. Okay, and you can see that before we have a React Native and React Native functional component. So this is, you can see that we have a small functions and you can directly call it into the main function. That's the basic phenomena, right, for this one. And for the class based component, basically a ES6 new, you can say that writing lines of code with the help of the class based component, and it has very advantages I have seen, right, and much more functions in that class based component. Okay, so let's check how we are defining the class based components. Okay, so here we have the class based component, that is app extends. You can either write here component or react dot component. Okay, so I'm going to copy this and add this. Okay, so I'm going to add it, and react has already declared, so let's remove this. You can see that React Native class based component, right? So this is the way that you can declare the class based component like this, and you can call it multiple class based components, creating a files and calling it over here. That's the way which we have already done in the previous videos also, right? So you can do the, you can create a different files and just add it over here like I did with the app, right? So this is the class based component, the functional based component, which you want to prefer, you can use it, right? So I preferred the newest version of AS6, that is React class based component, and it has very new features you can add it on, okay, to use it also. So hope you understand whether you want to use the class base, and you can also do much more on that. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.